Okay, folks, prepping for your November resits or November mocks or November examinations or in-class tests or assessments, then this video will be appropriate for you. I'm going to be just some quick fire questions that you might see on a typical foundation tier paper for GCSE math. Okay, and obviously question 2 is higher tier as well, so I'll put it in circles. Okay, but yeah, starting question 1, work out 45 times 78. So I'm going to write 45 multiplied by 78. So using our column method for multiplication. Okay, and here's the process. 8 times 5 is 40. So 0, carry that extra 4, or record that extra 40. 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 4 makes 36. Oops, sorry guys, apologies about that. Okay, so 36. I'm now going to put a placeholder. Okay, because I'm not doing 70 times this. 7 times 5 is 35. So 5, carry that extra 3. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus that 3 makes 31. I'm now going to add these numbers together. 0 plus 0 makes 0. 6 plus 5 makes 11. So I'm going to put 1 there and carry that extra 1. Or put 1 there, carry that extra 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. And the 3 drops down to the end. So my answer reads 3,510 as our answer, okay? I've got to say as well, actually, this is so important. So please practice your times tables, because it's so important even for real life maths and beyond, obviously, GCSE maths. Obviously, yeah, you are on like a time limit for your exams, so you can't afford yet to obviously make a mistake in these, and you have to be obviously quite swift as well. Question 2, we've got a double inequality. N is greater than -1 and less than or equal to 4. N is an integer. Write down all the possible values of n. So n can take the numbers, okay, integer meaning whole numbers, positive, 0, and negative, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 inclusive. Now it's not including 1 because it's greater than 1, but it's less than or equal to 4, so it includes 4 as well, because I've got that line there for less than or equal to 4. Okay, question 3. Here is part of a train timetable for 6 trains from Birmingham to London. Which train takes more than 2 hours to go from Birmingham to London? Well, it's not B, okay, it's also not C, and it's also not D. It's actually going to be E. Okay, F takes an hour and something, A takes an hour and a bit, okay, so it has to be more than, yeah, obviously 2 there, so yeah, it's going to be E, because it's 2 hours and 14 minutes. Okay, the rest of them, yeah, are like some are just under 2 hours, okay, but yeah, A, B, C, D, and F are under 2 hours.